Here we have the 1993 Suzuki Cappuccino I made a video on not too long ago. I had originally imported this car for a customer that had to back out, unfortunately, and kind of fortunately, because I decided to keep the car. I have always wanted a Suzuki Cappuccino, and this thing's got little TE37s on it, and I love it. So I'm going to be making this thing my own, doing a few mods here and there. Nothing super crazy, but definitely going to make it a bit more enjoyable. For the most part, this car is pretty stock. Today I'm going to be working on induction end of things, making it make proper turbo noises. I bought an HKS super power flow filter for it, so we'll be removing the factory air box and also deleting the factory recirculation valve. I've seen several guys out in Japan do this stuff to these cars, so let's get to it. Okay, got the factory recirculation valve removed here. Tiny little hole. We got an O-ring, so that should make making a block off plate real easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I bought some aluminum. Won't be needing that anymore. It's an 1/8 inch thick piece of aluminum stock. I would have gone quarter, but they didn't have any, so this will do. But I'm going to use the factory blow-off valve here as a template. Just trace that out, cut it out, and drill the holes, and put it back on. Pretty simple. Got our little plate. I'm going to go ahead and replace the O-ring in the car, and we'll slap this on. Okay, camera died a little earlier. Got a few more things done. First off, I got the block off plate installed, the new O-ring back there. I also deleted this whole manifold, if that's what you want to call it, full of vacuum lines. Cap this one off, cap this one off, and the original little vacuum hose goes down to this solenoid. I deleted at least the one and then left everything else in place. The disadvantage to this is that you lose idle air control valve, essentially. So you hear it sounds like it's idling a little high, because it is, and I have AC in this car and it works, and I wanted to retain that. So the sacrifice being with the AC off, the idle's got to sit up a little higher, for example. Yeah, it's sitting at about 1200 RPM. Kick the AC on. Drops at the 800 or 900 area, which is it's on the low side, but it's okay. It kept dropping way below that, almost wanting to stall, to the point where the AC compressor would actually disengage. but this'll do just fine. Yeah, it seems to sometimes when I idle a little normal, but otherwise it's not that bad. And I guess the best thing is it makes all the right noises. We'll take it for a little spin.